Next is min a function. As like min, it also evaluates the smallest value as the result, right? The syntax is min a, and inside the parameters we used to give column name, and this column is the one in which we want to find the smallest value, and it returns the smallest value. Main function takes as argument a column and looks for the smallest values from numbers or dates, right? But the difference between min and min a is min function does not include or does not consider logical values, that is true or false, but min a function supports true and false boolean values also. True means the it will consider as 1, and false means it will consider as 0, and text value will also be considered as 1. So this is the basic difference between min a and min function. Now if I go to my Power BI desktop, here inside my data I don't have any of the boolean values, but min a function will definitely work with it. But as the rule is saying, min a function supports true as 1 and false as 0. Now, I have this dedicated table for my calculations. If you want to create a dedicated table for expression, all the expressions, I have the table attached or the video attached for the same, or else you can directly go into your original table and create the measure. Now, here I am creating one measure. Here I'll be giving the name as min A, and the small in this time I'll calculating smallest profit we have made. So for min A, if there is true or false, that means a true will be 1 and false means 0. Here I'll be taking as profit, as I don't have kind of uh, any kind of boolean value inside it. It will not be considered then, because I don't have that value. So if I just show it onto the card, it's minus 6.60. It is showing as minimum profit, right? 6.60K. Or if I just go with this tool, see, this is how this function works, and you can also do some kind of format formatting on this text values also, right? Using this formatting options, you can display your data as per your convenience and requirement. So this is how we used to demonstrate min